Well, hello. It's Don. I'm Don. That's Don. He's been out here quite a bit, dusting things, cleaning things, and like I said in the last video, he's been working on tank cars, replacing wheels, not the whole truck, but just like the wheels, and it's making a big difference. Adjusting couplers and things. I pulled everything out of the yard and cleaned all the track in the yard, cleaned all the cars, put it all back. So anyways, he's been out here a lot cleaning and dusting and things, so we live in a dusty area, it just happens. So, working on Romley, I finally hand-built another turnout, so I'm going to try to lay out the track work for that. Let me show you that real quick. All right, so this is Romley. This is the mill that's not done, but started. Anyways, so we kind of have a lot of the scenery going, and I just want to try to get the track work a little more finished. And, you know, a long time ago, we basically just put in this turnout and this piece of track here. It's just regular flex track down to here, and it was just kind of temporary, you know, just so we can run trains through there, knowing that we were going to add more track work. So here are the switches, the turnouts that I'm going to need. These are the number 6s. That's a Y switch. I don't remember what size. And then I just built this one. This is a number 5. I think it's that one. I wanted it to be a little bit shorter. I'll show you why. So that was a little, the number 5 and the Y switch were a little tricky to build because I didn't have the fast track, you know, template for those. So I had to kind of do it the hard way. I just printed out the paper template. I didn't have the jig for it. I printed out the paper template, stuck it on, you know, something I could put a bunch of stick pins in, and just kind of manually did it with a track gauge very near to my side. Okay, so I'm Don from the future. I'm editing this video because somebody has to, but I'm at home editing the video, and right over here in this closet is the stuff that I use to make the turnouts. So I just thought I'd break in real quick and kind of show you what I'm talking about, the jig that I normally use, and then since I couldn't use that, kind of the way I built it the hard way. So anyways, I'll just show you a couple little things about that. Yeah, then we'll jump back into this spot in the video. Okay, so I'm in my closet, my little hidey hole, and so anyways, here's the normal fast tracks kind of template for building turnouts. This one is for a number 6 turnout, and you can do dual gauge and narrow gauge and standard gauge with it. And it's for code 83 rail. So that's the only one that I have. That's what I built a lot of turnouts from. But again, it's for a number 6 turnout, and I need to build a number 5 turnout, so I can't use this. I used a couple of, I don't know, basically I couldn't really use it. So anyways, what I have done is I printed out a template from the Fast Tracks website. Make sure you print it out to a true scale, 1-to-1 scale, actual scale, otherwise you'll really be messed up. So anyways, I take that, and this is a piece of sheetrock. I put tape around it so I don't get all dirty. I tape this down, and then these are the, you know, the copper ties, and I just cut them manually and kind of lay them on here. I cut my rail, and I put it, you know, where I need it. Then as I go, I just use stick pins to try to hold it in place. And then as I go, I'm using the track gauge all the time to make sure when I'm soldering it's in the right spot. If it's off a little bit, you know, I can loosen it up, scoot it over a little, whatever. And then I don't even have the jigs for doing like the points and stuff. So I do it again the hard way, and I use this file to file, oops, sorry about that, to file the rail down and kind of do my points. I just made a piece of wood with a slot to kind of hold the rail. You can totally do it this way. It kind of stinks. I guess if I known how many turnouts I was going to build, I probably would have bought the other, you know, point tool and all that kind of stuff. I just didn't know that I was going to do that many, and now I'm almost done. So anyways, I had to just build it all on here, so I don't have a picture of what it looks like when it's on here, but see there's holes all over the place. Didn't catch it on fire while soldering, so that's always good. Got a glass of water handy, just, you know, just in case. So anyways, just thought I'd kind of show you that little crazy adventure. Hey, this is an old piece of floor tile. Works great for setting hot things on. Yeah. Anyways, all right, back to the rest of this video. So anyways, I'm gonna try to lay these. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I gotta commit to this. So this track runs, we use it, you know, every time we run narrow gauge stuff, we run it through here. But it's time, finally, I think, to go ahead and take it out. It's only in there with a couple spikes here and there. I'm gonna have to take that out so that I can kind of figure out exactly where I want the track to go and maybe try to get some ties down for where the turnouts are going to be. So I gonna work on that. Okay, I was a little wrong. This part was actually glued down a little bit. And this part, the rail joiners were actually soldered. I'm gonna have to cut that back a little bit anyway, so I just cut it off. And yeah, anyways, that's that. Keep going here. Yeah. Okay, I think I've fiddled around with it enough to, I think, decide that this will work. So I think, I don't know, I guess I'm gonna try and mark with a pencil exactly where those turnouts are gonna land. And I don't know, and then I guess start gluing ties down or something. So yeah, I think this will work. I'll get the turnouts in place first. Alright, so that's what I got accomplished, other than getting a lot of wood glue on my fingers. So anyways, that's it. You know, short little video, but I just want to show you what I'm up to. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hit the little thumbs up button. And, well, you know, just thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.